Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating a task management system in Monday.com, the 2025 edition. The first thing you need to do is, of course, log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to sign up. This step is crucial because having an account is the gateway to all the productivity and organization tools Monday.com offers. Now that we've done that, we're going to create a new board. Go to the left sidebar, click on Workspaces, and then Add Board. This is where you will manage all your tasks and projects. The reason we do this is to have a specific platform where we can manage and track progress. Next up, we're going to add groups to our board. Groups are fantastic for separating different types of tasks or different stages of a project. Click on Add Group and name it appropriately. This helps us because it allows for better organization and delegation of tasks. Now let's add tasks within these groups. Click on Add Task, type in the task, and hit Enter. You can also add task details like deadlines, assignees, and status. This is vital as it gives structure to our work and helps us keep track of what needs to be done. The next step is to customize our board. With Monday.com, you can choose from various views like Timeline, Kanban, and Calendar to visualize your tasks better. Click on Add View and select the one that suits your needs. This step is critical because it allows us to see our tasks in the way that we find most helpful. Now let me explain why this matters. When you have a clear, organized task management system, it's easier to streamline your workflow, delegate tasks, and keep track of project progress. Finally, you can invite team members to your board. Click on Share at the top right corner, type in the email addresses of your team members, and hit Send. Remember, collaboration is key to accomplishing tasks efficiently. And there you have it, a fully functional task management system on Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll boost your productivity and stay on top of your tasks like never before. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep on tasking.